Good morning, everybody. Today I'm gonna go out and do a little adventuring on my own. There's a few places that I got in mind I want to take and share with you guys. And it really all just depends on how the weather is out there. And it was brighter just a minute ago, but now it's looking a little overcast. But anyway, I gotta grab a hat. This is kind of a cool hat. It was signed by the Japanese women's wrestling team. Yeah, in the Tokyo Olympics. So, one of the Olympic champions from Rio. I've remained friends with her, and she sent that hat to me. So it's kind of special. May not wear it outside today. There we go. I'm feeling this one. Stole this from my brother Doug. Here we go. I think the only other piece of equipment I might take is my little drone here. Might get some drone shots where I'm headed. Yeah. As you could see, it's not perfectly clear. It's a little hazy, but we'll see. I got a few different things in mind, so play it by ear. So the first place that I'm gonna go, I think I've probably posted, a couple times about this place, but it wasn't the main attraction, so to speak. But just gonna take a little hike up into the mountain here, and yeah, I'll share it with you on the way. All right, so the first place decided to come because it is a little overcast, but don't need to have a bunch of sun for what I'm doing, because it's just a little hike and it's mostly under the canopy anyhow. And it's very close to my house, maybe a 8 to 10 minute drive here was all. And yeah, I'll share it with you as I go. This is literally 30 seconds from my car, which is right back there through the trees. And it's already jungle action in here. It's a little hike called Likeke Falls. And let's see, I just set my watch here. So yeah, just started it 53 seconds ago. So I'll let you know how long the hike is. But it's beautiful. I'm guesstimating maybe 20 minutes to the falls. Big old water tank up here. It's had some artwork done to it in past years. Yeah. Just ran into 4 guys coming down. I asked them how the hike was. It's good. I said, is it busy up there? They said, yeah, but a majority of it is our group, so they might be down by the time you get up there. So, typically, if I come before 10 a.m. in the morning, which it's still 9:38 right now, there's hardly ever anyone on this hike. But those last few people Squeezing in the summer vacay to Hawaii. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Oh yeah. That little hole right there, we call a hole a puka in Hawaii. And that little area up there is the pali, which means cliff. So we call that the pali puka right there. One of my favorite things about this hike are the birds. There seems to be a little bit of extracurricular noise in the background, but this bird that you're hearing, most of it is called the white-rumped shama. It's a common bird here in Hawaii and just has beautiful, beautiful song and changes all the time. So yeah, passed a lot of people coming down. 13 minutes in, and I'm already almost there, so I think 20 minutes, pretty darn close to the actual time. And now you can start to hear the falls and the stream. All right. And yeah, still quite a few people up here. And when I say quite a few, it's all relative. Like I say, typically I come up here and I'm alone. But the word is out, of course. And so, almost there. Just right there. Yeah. And here we are. Yes. This is considered very busy. Even though it looks like most people are getting ready to leave. Oh, yeah, almost 17 minutes up here. This is the area. And I'll bring you around this way. Show you this beautiful view of Kaneohe town. Look at this. You can see all the way out to Mokuli'i Island, Chinaman's Hat out there. This big mountain right on the top, right here, that is Kualoa. And then that big white building right there in the center of the screen, right on the back side of that is where we live. So, yeah, beautiful area here. And I'd like to fly my drone, but this canopy cover can make it a little dicey at best, so we'll see. I don't know. No wind though. Maybe I'll give it a go. Well, that turned out all right. I hope. But no interference, no lost signal or anything like that. And really, when you're flying your drone, that's all you can ask for. While I was flying my drone, everybody left. Nobody here. I'm going but I got people coming up the trail right now. Gonna hike up just a bit higher, get a little different perspective. Well, yet another perspective. Guess the drone already did that one for you. But coming right over here against the falls. Got water working its way down the mountain even here. Wow. There we go. And yeah, I have sat in that pool and in that pool. And yes, it feels as good as it looks. That's for sure. Alrighty, well, there's the falls from here. And there's another place up over this way that I want to take you folks to and show you. You may have seen it on the drone flight. All right. Met a really nice family from Boise, Idaho, back there. And we chit-chatted a while. So, but headed back down the path. I'm gonna try and get some beautiful bird songs going back. I love that bird. Somewhere in there. It's got a lot to say. If you ever get to Hawaii and you have the chance, smell this. Smell that lily. Oh my goodness. I can't wait till we have smell-o-vision. It is so good, you guys. So, this plant here is a type of ginger that we have here. And this little, like feather, I guess you could say, that you see sticking out. Well, this is edible, actually. Just make sure we don't have any ants on in there because it's nice and sweet. Actually, the white part is sweet, and then the red part tastes like rhubarb. Oh, that was really good one. That was good. Wish you all could taste that. Smell-o-vision, taste-o-vision. Come on. I mean, even the view once you get back to the parking lot, not too shabby, gotta say. All right, There's my old beater right there. Alright everyone, well, I was gonna take you to a few more places, but this video just got a little bit too long, so I'm gonna save those for my next video, so you'll have something to look forward to. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. My goal is to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the flip side.